Our back hurts. Your body feels stiff. And simple movements that used to be easy now feel like a struggle. You've been telling yourself it's just age. It's not. Your body hasn't broken down. It's just forgotten how to move. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. 5 simple holds. No gym, no equipment, no experience needed. Just 15 minutes a day, and your body will start feeling years younger. But here's the warning. Don't skip any of these, because each one builds on the last. And number 3, most people get completely wrong. Let's go. Exercise 1. The deep squat hold. This looks simple, but what I'm about to tell you will change how you see this movement forever. This position, this deep squat, is your body's natural resting position, the position your body was literally built to be in. And most people have completely lost it. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly out. Now slowly lower yourself all the way down, heels flat, chest up, hips below your knees. And hold. Start with 20 seconds. Build to 60. Now here's what's really happening when you can't do this. Your hips are locked, your ankles are frozen, and your lower back is carrying stress it was never meant to carry. That's where the pain comes from. Not age, not weakness, just a position your body forgot. Get this back, and bending down becomes easy again. That constant tightness in your lower back, it starts to fade, for good. Exercise 2. The 90-90 hip hold. Most people have never even heard of hip rotation, but losing it is one of the main reasons people start walking differently, moving carefully, and feeling old before their time. Sit on the floor, one leg in front bent at 90 degrees, one leg behind also at 90 degrees. Sit tall, chest lifted, and hold. If this feels impossible right now, that's not failure, that's information. Your hips are telling you exactly what they've lost. Stay here, breathe. Let your hips open. After just 60 seconds, you'll feel something shift, a loosening, a release, like your body exhaling for the first time in years. Exercise 3. The bird dog hold. This is the one most people do completely wrong, and doing it wrong doesn't just waste your time, it can actually make things worse. Get on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Now extend your opposite arm and leg, forming one straight line from fingertips to toes. And hold. Here's where people fail. They twist, they arch, they rush. Instead, keep your hips perfectly level, core locked tight. And here's the cue that changes everything. Imagine a full glass of water sitting on your lower back. Don't spill a single drop. That mental image will do more for your stability than any instruction ever could. This movement teaches your spine to stay protected while your body moves around it. Master this, and back pain starts to become a distant memory. Exercise 4. Single leg balance. I want you to try something right now. Stand up. Shift all your weight onto one leg and lift the other foot just slightly off the ground. How long can you hold it? Because here's the truth. Your balance is not just about coordination. It's a direct measurement of your future. Studies show that people who struggle to balance on one leg face dramatically higher risks of falls, injury, and loss of independence. This one exercise strengthens your ankles, your hips, and your core, all at the same time. Practice it daily. And that feeling of wobbling, of uncertainty, of not trusting your own body, it disappears, and you start moving through life with confidence again. Exercise 5. The prone swimmer. Hold. This is the one your posture has been begging for. Years of sitting, hours of looking down at phones, and your upper back has slowly rounded forward, pulling your neck, your shoulders, and your entire posture with it. Lie face down, arms extended overhead in a Y shape. Now lift your chest, your arms, and your legs, just slightly off the ground. And hold. Feel that? That's your upper back firing. Those are the muscles that have been sleeping for years, finally waking up. Do this daily, and standing tall stops feeling like effort. Your neck relaxes, your shoulders drop back where they belong, and you stop looking and feeling tired, just from standing. But here's what I need you to understand. This is not about fitness. This is not about looking better or performing better. This is about getting your body back, the body that could move without thinking, the body that didn't hurt getting out of bed, the body that felt like yours. It's still there. It just needs to be reminded how to move. Start today. Even 10 seconds is enough to begin. Because every single day you do this, you are taking back control of your movement, of your comfort, of your independence. And one day soon,